Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to create Metasploit PDF payload in Android with Termux app. In Termux app, whatever you called. So let's start. First we have to go to Ngrok site and sign up. So first you need a temporary mail. So go to tempmail.org and get email and sign up with this email to create the ngrok account and get the Linux ARM file and ngrok or token. All commands and links in description. So check. After downloaded, search ngrok and copy the ngrok Linux ARM zip file in phone storage or SD card. Means nothing in difference between both them. They are same. Phone storage and SD card are same. If this not work, I'll give another way in my blog. So check out my blog. I'll give the links and description in my blog. So first you have to copy the name and go to the Termux app and clear the Termux app with clear command and unzip. Paste the Linux ARM zip file name and give it permission chmod +x ngrok and it become executable. After that paste the auth token. So go to the ngrok site and copy the ngrok auth token and paste here below chmod +x ngrok command. So see, this is an executable file. After this /ngrok tcp 444. You have to turn on hotspot. Without turn on hotspot, this is not going to work. So you have to turn on hotspot your mobile first. It takes some time, depends upon your net speed. So please guys, subscribe my channel. Please, it gives me motivation to work on this type of videos for you. Please like the video, please friends, like video. I have to reach 1K subscriber. Please friends support me. I'll give you the free content and the subscribe button is also free. Hit the subscribe button, friends. Now clear the Termix app. CD Metasploit framework. I'll give you all links and description. Links and commands in description. So check out. CD modules, LS, CD exploits, LS, CD, Android, LS, CD file format, LS, copy the text. After that, type MSF console to start Metasploit. See, I don't realize that time when I am making the video. I forgot. I just typed MSF Venom because I clear Termix CD. Type MSF console to start Metasploit framework. It takes near about 1 minute or less than 1 minute. Now type commands. Use Android slash sorry guys. Use exploit slash Android slash file format slash go to the previous session and copy the Adobe Reader PDF is interface.rb. Copy and paste after file format slash paste. Enter hit button. After that, set local host, set L host, go to the ngrok session or go to the notepad where you copied the ngrok details. Copy from 0 to .io as lhost. Now hit enter button. After that, set L port. Go to the notepad copy the 5-digit after .io and paste after L4. Hit enter and see nothing goes wrong. After that, type exploit. Hit enter and see friends, the PDF binded payload was generated. We created successfully payload, but this is in other location, so you have to copy the location, copy, and see friends, here the payload not we not getting the payload, so you have to move the payload in phone storage. So MV means move, paste the path, and after that /SD card/ type and hit enter. After that go to go to phone storage means file manager, and see friends, here is the friends, here is the MSA PDF means payload binded in PDF file. So you have successfully created Metasploit payload binded in a PDF. So please guys, subscribe me, like, share, and hit the subscribe button. It's free guys.